Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course and this part 80 Eloquent relationship for multiple table in Laravel 11, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11. This is a database name inside. This is a list of table is available, and this my project is available gem folder inside this htdoc directory. Inside this is a project. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor, and this project directory inside this command prompt open cmd. Successfully open this directory inside this command prompt PSP artisan server and enter. This PSP artisan server working good. This command copy this URL and paste this browser. Successfully working. This is the latest version. Good working. Let's slash admin login. Admin login, and this login screen is available. Let's admin@gmail.com. gmail.com. Password is 12345678 and click this login and not now. Please wait. This is a login. Successfully login. Good. Let's click this city. This is a click this city. Click this city. Please wait this city. Inside this is a 3 table is a implement. This is a city. Inside this is country ID, state ID and city, and this is a 2 table is a join. Let's city table is available. Table name is a city. This city table, and this table record is a show. This record is a show. Inside this is a show. First of all, this URL is a copy. This URL is a copy and route in web.php. Open route inside this web.php. Successfully this is available. This URL, this is a route. Location controller inside this is a function is available. City list. Location controller open. Location controller app http local and location controller. Inside this function is available. Let's find this function. Successfully this is a function is available. Good working. Let's admins city and list. Resource view admin inside this city inside this is available list. This is a list is available. List file is open. Inside this is a name is all available. This is this list is available. First of all, this is a country name. This is a country. First ID is already implement this ID. Second is a country name. Same here copy and country name is add country's name. Remove. Next is a state name. State. This is a state name, and last is a city name. Save file. Inside this is the implementation. This refresh this page. Successfully available country name, city, state and city, and created and updated, and this is all field is available. This is a name is a sense ID. Good working. That's fine. Let's step by step implementation. Inside this is this data is first of all this is a get data. Open this. Inside this is a one open $data get record is equal to this mode. This table name is available. Table name is a city table, and this model is already created. Open this model inside this city model. This model is open this city model. In this city model is a paste here inside, and this is already included. This is a included. Paste here city model. This is a include city model. Get record join. This is a new. This is a new, and copy this and paste here inside this paste here, and open this. Open this is open. This city model is open. Let's copy, and inside this new function create. Function name is same name is inside this create. Yes, created. This static public function and paste here, and this is a paste here. Successfully set. This is a function is a inside, this is a new create. Let's return self select, and this is a dot. This return self, table name is a city, and this is the implementation, and this inside this join query is a set. This is a join query is a implementation. First of all this join, otherwise first is a get record, only get is a set, save file, and this is a record is a only get city model. This model name is a table name is a city table. Same here, copy this variable, copy, and this data is a pass, copy inside, this is a paste here. This 4s and dollar paste, this is a paste here. Same here, copy, and inside this paste is dollar value, and this same here, copy and at the rate end and paste here, and this is inside tr close and td start, and this first of all this is id is available, this dollar value, same here, copy and paste here, and this is a id, this first is id is a get. Let's save file, all save file, and refresh this page. Successfully two record is available, 1 and 2. This is a 2 record is available. Next is a country id, same here, copy paste, and this is a country id, same, copy paste, copy paste, and last is a city name. This is a city name, same here, copy and paste here, save file, and this is a 2 record is a show. This is a 2 record is a only show. Good working. This is a fine, this is a all fine, this 3131 and visa, this is 131 visa, and this is successfully a set, and this is a date is a set, same here, copy and paste here, and this is a created and updated date. Good working. This created and updated date is a set. Save file and refresh this page, but this is a not a good, this is a date format is a not a good. Let's this is a date format is a set. This is a date dmy str2 time, and this is a date format is a set. Cut and paste here. Successfully this is a function is a set. Let's refresh this page. This is a date format is a sense, in timing format is a sense. Let's same here, copy this, copy inside this paste here, only this variable name sense, and this is a created date, this is the updated date, same here, copy and paste here, updated, this remove. This is a date format is a successfully set. Good working. This is a date format is a date successfully set. Good, successfully good. And this inside this last is a td and paste here. Save file inside this, refresh this page, and this is a blank. Inside this action edit and delete button is a implementation. Next video. First of all, this is a join query is a set. This is a join query, and this join query is available country id. Country id means this is a country table. This table is available country table. Inside this is a name is available. This three number is a 3 name is available. This Pakistan. 4 number is a implement. This is a Austria. Let's same here, open this, and this remove, not use this remove. First of all, this join inside this. First of all, this table name is a copy and paste here is equal to this, again this copy, and inside this available id. This is a id, this id And same here, paste here. This table name is a country table. This copy and paste here. And this name is ID, country ID. Dot country ID. This table name is available, this ID name. This open this country. This is a name is available, this country ID. Successfully first is a join query is a set, and this is a get record, get all. And inside this is a implementation. This is a comma separate, and this name is a country as it is dot. This open this country. Inside this country name successfully set. Let's so copy inside this is a paste here. This remove not use paste and refresh this page. This is a two name is a set. This is a join query is a successfully set. Good working. This is a fine. Let's next is the same here. This is a Eloquent join query. The same here copy. Otherwise new create. This is a join. The same name is available. This is the name is a state name. Click the state city inside this available state ID. The state ID means this is the name is a state table. The same. Click the state, copy this table name, and this is a state name is a set. Paste here inside this same here paste again ID is equal to and the city same here copy and paste, and this is inside this is available state ID, and the same here close this. Inside this again open this is a state copy and paste here dot, and this is a state name. Same here copy and paste, and the same copy save file inside this paste here, save file. Good working. Let's refresh this page. Successfully this is available. This is a state is available. This is name is available. This is a 1 and 5 is available. This state is open. This city 1 and 5 is available. This is 1 and 5 is inside. This is available inside. This automatically show. This is a fine. This is a join query is a implementation. This is a list is a show. Fine. Good working. This is a join query is a set. Let's order by is a same implement this order by. So let's same here order by dot id. This is a city copy and same id in descending order. This is a save file and refresh this page. Descending order. This is a 1. This 1 and 2. This is a descending order. Ascending means ASC ascending order, and this is 1 2 side. Just refresh this page. This is a ascending order. This descending and ascending order is a set. And this implement less pagination. So this is a pagination is a available. Less pagination is a set. Wait, this is a same here copy same copy paginate, and this is close. Inside this pagination is a set paginate. In this is a remove. And this remove not used. This is a pagination is a working fine. Let's refresh this page. Successfully show, and this is a pagination inside this only one, and show and refresh this page. Successfully only one record is a show, but pagination is not available. Let's new pagination inside this is a implementation. Inside this pagination link is a set. This is already lost a project. Inside this is a available pagination link. Let's same here copy pagination link inside this paste here. This is a get record, and this is same here get record, and pagination is a set. Let's refresh this page. Successfully this is a one record inside this available. Second record is a second page is available. This is a fine. This is a one record. Second record is a second page available, and this pagination is a remove. So but inside this pagination is a only 10 record after show. Let's inside this 10 record implement this 10 record. After this is pagination automatically, so otherwise this is a hide. Good working. This is a one available inside this automatically hide, but this is a 10 record after pagination is a show. Please write down. This is a file is a write down step by step. And this is a model is a implementation model via. Inside the same query is implement. This is a good working, not this inside this, otherwise this same here copy and inside this paste. This is a working find this model. This is a implementation. Any doubt, so please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. YouTube, Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype is available anytime. Contact in this new project development, so please contact 7 year experience. And this last project is available, please buy very low price. And this my YouTube channel Error Solution. Please subscribe and click the bell icon inside this. Follow this all link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. And any question to this my official website. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.